You're about to witness one of the ultimate bands of the 90s. Special dedication going out to Little Boogie. Very special friend of mine in the house tonight. As we now get ready to hear the cracking sounds of EPITOME. Bang, ain't,
You get them keyboards out there, bitch. You get them keyboards out there, bitch. Also do for main man. Also just dedication when I took over made a 4-speed crew. And also main man, big time Brian and Force, good to see you, baby. Alright. Also main man, who that there? I need a spotlight out here. William, good to see you, Will. That's the thing, we got some real sticks in for you, Will. And also 440. My man, White Mike and Black Mike. Is that it? I got it down here. Hey, 440. You know about the sex practice? You know about the sex practice? Huh? Hey, JL. You know about what these sex practice say? Yeah. You want about what these sex packets say?
What are you talking about, home?
I got red ones, green ones, blue ones, and all kinds of sex packets. I'll say the old and also made that Kool-Aid. Yes, indeed. You want my words, man? Look at Jermaine. Look at him. Excuse me, trooper. What you been digging in the pockets today?
Yo, don't be pulling on my jacket, okay?
Cool. I'm trying to get some attention so you can take a look at this invention. Now, PP, I got some more of my jacket.
Now what are these? Condoms?
Sex practice. It's like a pill. You can even do it up for like an alka-seltzer. Dissolve it in a cup. It gets this. You see the girl in the cup? You black out, and she becomes your lover. No, I'm serious. These are authentic.
Well, I don't take the hallucinogenic.
Around my gear, my man. These are way more real. Did you know everything? I make 40 a deal. Yeah.
Yeah, this pocket man.
Oh, man, big time fight. You know the pocket man. Also, man, 4-4, also Big J. Good to see you, baby. Yes, it did also Wu-Tang and main man, Kool-Aid. Every down triple G to every Wednesday night, though. Yeah!
Well, now you got me curious. I'm trying to think about power.
Right, people, $10. You can't help but trying it.
Well, what exactly do I get?
I'll read what it says, my man. Look at the picture.
It says Chinese girl, age 17, waist 24, hips 33. This one here says young black virgin. Man, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to splurge and get me a few of these things. How long did it last?
Well, it depends. Let's see. The real cheap was here for 10 minutes. And these are extra power. You fuck about a half an hour. And these girls sell for about 40. Because you get 2 girls.
Yeah, it's 10-40.
Right. And if you're married, it's no big deal. You're not cheating at all. You just popping the pill. If your wife got a headache, you want to hit the sack, that's food. Take a packet, boo. Take a packet, sexy little sex. Hey, this is L. Here's the more about the sex. I special dedication out to my man Larry and also Chris and Big Eric on the Scott Hill crew. All right, good to see Scott Hill. Where you at, Scott Hill? Yes, indeed. Who else we got here? Who this? Jamaican Duke of the Scott Hill crew. All right, y'all. I'm breaking on set. Oh, I love it here. I love it here. Say what now? Oh, what's it out here? in the week in the day. I say what? And what's it out here? I go compete it. I go compete it. I go compete it.
Yeah.
do the Humpty Hump. Oh, you got it weird. You tripping over baby, come on, man, go down here. I'll say what? Do the Humpty Hump, do the Humpty Hump. It wasn't very clear. Mr. Bob, do the Humpty Hump. Mr. Bob, do the Humpty Hump. It wasn't very clear. Do the Humpty Hump, do the Humpty Hump. And look at a little bit of monster fit. Do the Humpty Hump, go the wheel, do the Humpty Hump. A little bit of monster fit. Do the Humpty Hump, do the Humpty Hump. A little bit of monster fit. Do the Humpty Hump, do the Humpty Hump. I want you out here, but do the Humpty Hump. Oh, Bill, do the Humpty Hump. All right, y'all. We're gonna do it for the whole crew down here. All right. That's the team. Stop what you doing, cause I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you used to. I look funny, hey, but y'all won't making money. See, the old brother, hope you're ready for me. I'll stick around, I'm the new fool in town, and my sound stay down by the underground. Hey, I think about a hit to see you got on yourself. So just let me introduce myself. My name is Humpty, pronounced with the umpty. Hey, old lady, oh, how I like to bump thee. And all the bands in the top 10, please allow me to bump thee. I'm stepping tall, y'all. Just like Humpty Dumpty, you're gonna fall with the stereo dumpy. I like to rhyme, I like my beats funky, I'm funky. I like my oatmeal, lumpy, I'll stick with it. I stay face to back, but sometimes I get ridiculous. I eat up all your crackers and your licorice. Hey, yo, fat girl, come here, are you ticklish? Yeah, I got you fat, look at me, I'm skinny. It never stopped me from getting busy, I'm a freak. I like the girls with the dope. I once got busy in the car down Hayes Boy. I'm a freak, the guys with the boo with. Got busy in the freak. You like the girls with the boo. Freak. You like the girls with the boo. Freak. You like the girls with the boo. Got busy, alright. Freak. You like the girls with the boo, boy. 2, 1, 2. Is it? I was straight, anticipate. We gon' do it here. We ain't gotta leave here late. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at here now. You a freak. You like the girls with the boom. Got busy in a motel. You like the girls with the boom. You a freak. You like the girls with the boom. You like the girls with the boom. I'm crazy. Allow me to amaze. They say I'm hungry for the death so crazy. Still kids in there playing. And I even got my own thing. The Humpty Dance. Use your chance to do the hump. Hey, Big Will, come on. I do the Humpty Hump. Come on.
I do the Humpty Hump.
I do the Big Time Brian, yo.
I do the Humpty Hump.
Come on.
I do the Humpty Hump.
Big Day.
I do the Humpty Hump. I do the Humpty Hump.
Yes, indeed,
I do the Humpty Hump.
yes, indeed,
Do the Humpty Hump.
and now that we all free,
Do the Humpty Hump.
that's all free.
Do the Humpty Hump.
And now that we all free,
I do the Humpty Hump.
that's all free.
I do the Humpty Hump.
And now we all free,
I do the Humpty Hump.
that's all free.
I do the Humpty Hump.
Are we all free?
I do the Humpty Hump.
That's all free.
Well, people say yo, you're really funny looking.
Yeah, that's right, because we get sick cooking. You fail, you grin, you got your knees down, you can tell me, but you can't fuck with me. You know the boys see, and all the girls see, and all the women, they adore me. You know something? I really feel sick. Then the secret out of hope, you know I tickle your wrist. My nose is big. I'm not gay, sick like a pickle, but still get paid. I get laid by the ladies, and that's the charge. Both how I'm living and my dick is hot. I get stupid, I do it now like Cupid. I I used to work with nothing like Lucha. I may drop the hammer, but if you missed it, I'm the one that said just fuck him in the fist. And I'm just right, I'm just the fight. Yeah, I guess it's obvious, also like the right. All we gotta do is give Will the chance, and now he's gonna do my thing.
The Humpty Dance, he's your chance to do the hump.
Oh, where we at? Come on! Oh, buddy!
Do the Humpty Hump.
A big thing!
Do the Humpty Hump.
A big time radio!
Do the Humpty
And a
Hump.
calling crew, y'all!
Do the Humpty Hump.
Living Pennsylvania!
Do the Humpty
And the
Hump.
longest time!
Do the Humpty Hump.
Big thing!
Do the Humpty Hump.
And that's not too well. Look at this! Now we all free!
Do the Humpty
And
Hump.
that's all free!
Do the Humpty Hump.
And now we all free!
Do the Humpty Hump.
That's all free!
Do the Humpty Hump.
Are we all free?
Do the Humpty Hump.
That's all free!
Do the Humpty Hump.
Are we all free?
Do the
Hey, give me a hot
Humpty
sucker, y'all. Give me a hot sucker, let's hear. I mean, y'all say you got it going on.
on.
We gonna say you got it.
Get going on.
Y'all say you got it going on. We gonna say you got it.
Get going
Y'all
on.
say you got it going on. We gonna say you got it.
Get going on.
Y'all say you got it going on.
Going on.
We gonna say
You gotta get
all right, we know who's got it going on.
You gotta going on. You gotta get going on. You gotta going on. You gotta get going on.
I got it going on.
You gotta going on.
We don't got it going on.
Get going on. You gotta going on.
Pussy got it going
You
on.
gotta get going on.
Got it going on.
You gotta going on. You gotta get going on. You gotta going on. You gotta get going on. You gotta going on. You gotta get going on. You gotta going on.
You got it, baby.
I was too blind to see when you belonged to me. You were my everything.
up here. We gon' fuck